Hey guys, got PS4 here. It's doing the common thing where they're slow to take in discs. So it's normally caused by dirty rollers. To get into the console we want to go, it's this bottom side that needs to come off. So you've got your, behind these little tabs, I just pulled them up just to have it ready to go. Then you've got your 3 Torx bits. If you want to clean the whole console, say you've got like it's a dirty fan and it's dusty, I have a video where I do that, because you go the other side as well. I'll put a link in it here. If you're doing this and you haven't ever done that, then it's probably well worth going in and doing the whole console while you're here. Just these PS4s, all kind of stuff are weighted where they suck in dirt and then they start running real loud. If you've never taken off this bottom on your console, it'll be kind of tight. It will come off. You just kind of start in one corner. Start on one corner and just, it's all just held in by tabs and just start working around. This one will come off easier because it's been off before, but if it is the first time and you've done it, it will be a little bit harder. You just start in one corner and just start pulling. If like that came off so easy, that's because it's been off before in this console. It will be a lot trickier if it's your first time. So here is the disk drive. So this is the Wi-Fi antenna. I just need to remove this out of the way. It's just held in a little track, little holder here. You just remove that over to there. This screw here is part of it. This is a very common with these consoles. So many of them I see have this issue where they're not taking the discs in, or actually if it's really not taking it in at all, a lot of the times the issue has been caused by the fact that the roller one has become dislodged. So it's the same thing to get in here and just fix them. Don't need to take this out, so I'm not going to bother. I'm going to undo this screw. This is the board that if you're swapping a drive on these earlier model consoles, you need to take this board and the drive. The later revisions of this PS1, you don't. They got rid of that drive protection. There is a connector there, and there is a Torx screw here which has to come as well. Use the little tabs here. And that is the drive out. Okay, so with your drive out, we're flipping it over. And then it's the 3 screws here, here and here which have to come out. If you're in here, I'm not going to show it on camera, but it can be a good idea to clean the whole drive, not just these rollers. But these rollers are the problem. Sometimes as well with these PS4s, what happens is there's like a sensor up here which senses the incoming game. They can go as well. That's if it's not taking it at all. So these are the rollers. They kind of clip in here this is, you have to clean these. I am just going to use a baby wipe, and then I'm going to run over them with some IPA. You're just cleaning them, you're not doing anything fancy to them. And then I might give this drive a little clean, which I won't do on camera, and then we will reassemble the console. Okay guys, it's going to pop the wheels back in now. If you've opened it up and the wheels have popped out and that's the problem you're having, and this white wheel is floating around here, this is where it goes. Just worth noting. You might have to just twist this and it'll slide on. Same with this, it kind of has like a, you can see it there, but there's a groove for it to slide into. It doesn't just, you know, it sits in the groove. Just bear that in mind when you're trying to put it back together. So you have to just turn it slightly just to get it to. That's that back together. Next thing, pop back on this and stick in the three screws. And then right, the next thing is to pop the drive back into the console. Just remember to connect this cable back in. Mix two of those screws up. these all just slide back in, just be careful with them. So we'll test this machine out now and see how it does. Ah, perfect. It always spat them out fine. It was taking them in. It was just to do it real slow. Perfect. Alright guys, it's a fairly simple fix, nothing too complicated. You're just talking about screws. The only thing is you will need one of the Torx bits to get into your machine. Thanks for watching guys.